What is going on, everyone? I'm talking today about this 2020 Chevy Silverado off-road. It is way cool. It is brand new. I just unpacked it on my TikTok channel and we're going to talk about it today here on YouTube. You can see it is really nicely done. I love the fat wheels and tires on it. This is number GRY92. It's got a plastic bottom, copyright 2020. It is just a really nice car. I like the skid plate on it already and the tail treatment. So let's talk about this really bad to the bone 2020 Chevy Silverado off-road. It is just cool. Look at those, look at the bold yellow color, the stripes, and the BF Goodrich logo on the side of it. It is really neat. This is a nice little feature too, the little Hot Wheels logo. This is a very new model. When I saw it hanging on the peg in the store, I just had to have it. And I think that's probably what a lot of kids are going to be doing these days. I mean, it just stands out. And you just got to have it. You got to put your fingers on it. What I'm going to do is give it some scores. We're going to talk about how unique it is, presentation value, and overall nostalgia, and we're going to come up with a TimScore. So let's talk about uniqueness. The color really stands out. I haven't seen the yellow color combination on many of these types of truck die casts over the past couple of years, so it really catches your eye. The color, the height, everything just makes you want to grab it. I'm going to give it a unique score of 7. I am a fan of it. All right, presentation. This is going to be fun. So first, obviously it's a metal case, metal casting, and it does have a plastic bottom. You can see that, you can see all of the various logos that it's got, all of the various IDs and identifiers. It is made in Malaysia. The oversized tires really catch your eye, and it's obviously has had the benefit of a lift kit. You can see the big off-road lights and the skid plate that is featured. I wish they would have kind of baked in the rear view mirrors on the sides, but they didn't. But that's okay. They make up for it in a lot of other ways. The tail light treatment is nice along with the bumper. And you can see the nice color combination on the bed. You can almost say that could be one of those rhino shields on there. Really nice. Plastic windows, obviously clear. The front ones are open to, you know, kind of, whenever I see one of these cars with an open driver and passenger window, to me it kind of signifies, you know, just outdoorsy, you know, enjoying the time, speed a lot of the times. The stripes on the front and on the hood are really good. I'm going to give it a presentation score of 8. It just really does a nice job. So from a nostalgia perspective, obviously it has not been around forever, but it does hit the mark on some emotional fronts. I'm a fan of this. I'm all in. I like it. I think it will do well for years to come. It hits the mark in terms of desirability. Everybody likes trucks and everybody likes off-road trucks these days. I just saw again that bumper. A lot of nice detail in that bumper. I'm going to give it a nostalgia score of 7. So with scores of 7, 8, and 7, we have an overall TimScore of 7.3. This is one of the stronger scores from one of the newer vehicles that I've done, and it has earned every penny of it. So really nice job. Love this.